Alright guys, the John Deere Mower S130. This mower has 12.1 hours on it, which is awesome. I had somebody the other day tell me their mower was low hours and it had 400 and something hours on it. Oh, just a regular consumer grade mower. I would disagree on that. This has 12 hours. And it looks like it has 12 hours. That is what I would call low hours. I mean, look, the barcodes and stuff are down here. Everything's clean. Yeah, I mean, it's been mowed with, but you can tell it's hardly been mowed with. There's like none of the usual scuffs and stuff that you see. I mean, it's just, look at it's almost like a new mower. It's not all dusty and gross under here. So there's that. 12 hours, 12.1.